Eventzilla tutorial and review. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to review Eventzilla and show you how to use it. So please watch slowly and to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Eventzilla, you can also use my affiliate link below the description or earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Eventzilla, it is an all-in-one event management and registration platform designed to simplify the process of hosting in-person, virtual, and hybrid events, in which it provides tools for creating customizable event pages, handling ticketing and registration, managing attendees, and offering secure payment processing. And the platform supports integrations with popular apps like Zoom, Zapier, and MailChimp, making it easy to connect with marketing, communication, and automation workflows. So now to create an account on Eventzilla, you can also click the link in the description or click Create Your Event button on the top right, where you can sign up by entering here your first name, organization, email, or even sign up using Google. After signing in, you also need to enter here your mobile phone number, select your country, your primary currency, and even your time zone. Then click the continue button to proceed. And after that, it will ask you to attend this page to attend the event. I'm going to click yes. And what is the primary nature of your events in here? And click the approximate number of attendees per year. And upon filling out the required information or answering it, you'll now be able to be directed in here. And to create an event, just simply click this create event button below here. By clicking on it, it will show you on this pop-up window the option, how will your event be conducted? I'm going to choose in person, and will the attendees pay to attend your event, and click yes. And let's get started. And from here, you can browse your themes. I'm going to click or select this one and click proceed button. But as you can see, we have here also the option. Now from here, all you need to do is to fill out the required information, including the event title and description. Starting to this event name, for example, the event name is Financial Markets Simulation Course. You'd also enter or select the event type. I'm going to click class, training, or workshop. You'd also select here your currency. I'm going to choose for the USD, for example, in here. And for the event starts, you simply choose here the date and also the time where the event will start and ends. And from here, you can also add a recurring schedule if it is a recurring schedule, or add also an images in here, in which by simply searching on our library available, it will show us in here all of the images result that is offered for free or we can use. So all you need to do is simply scroll down or browse and simply choose here or select the images. And upon selecting any images in here, you'll automatically be directed on this page where you can click done and also customize the image. Then below here, you can even add the organizer profile, including the name, the bio, the profile images, and many more. You can even add the organizer description in here. Now under event description, you can also use AI, but make sure to fill out all of this required information on this pop-up window. And that includes to describe your event in 5 to 6 words, which topics and speakers will feature at the event, who is the intended audience at the event, and many more. But at this point, I'm just going to simply enter here manually the kind of sample description that I want for this event. Example, I'm going to enter here, provide overview about financial markets, and also navigate the system software and provide certificates. So by simply inputting it, all of this kind of description, you can make it bold, italic, underline, change the position of it, add a link, images, video, and many more. For example, I'm going to make the certification word bold right here. And to do that, can I select this one and click the B icon. As you can see, it is now been changed. Also, I'm going to do it on this system software and click save and continue. However, before you proceed to the next step, make sure to already fill out the required information once again right here. Now by doing this, you'll now be directed under these tickets and payments. I'm choosing here in-person event. I'm going to click add venue. All you need to fill out to add your location, your venue details right here, venue title, address line 1, address line 2, the city or town where the venue will be on, and also the state, territory, the postal code or zip code, the country, and many more. And you can even use the Google Maps below here to navigate or select here or pin the location of your event and click Save Venue button. So all you need to do from here is to simply select here or choose the specific location for your event. But at this point, I'm just going to simply close this event details and moving on to this registration and ticket. You can add here the kind or name of the ticket or registration type. For example, I'm only selling the name of the ticket which has limited VIP, and you can add a description of it, an available quantity which is 100 only, and even the price of it which is 150 US dollar. You can choose here the sale starts date and even the time of it, and you can even specify the access code for this ticket type if you have one. All you need to do it is to simply turn on this one to specify an access code and enter here the kind of code that you prefer, for example 123, and you can even add an advanced option by clicking on it. Enter here the minimum and maximum order limit, and even enable waitlist for this ticket type if you prefer, and this ticket requires organizer approval, enable group discount, and any other kind of option right here. But click save and add another if you want, or click save and close. But make sure to check all of these boxes indicate that you agree to the terms of service or terms of condition. Moving on, again on this page, just add again the venue details, and below select your payment methods. And this page, I'm just going to simply add the venue once again. Enter here your location, or use the Google map below for satellite on selecting the pinpoint of your event, and click save venue. By doing so, it will automatically save the venue, and we can now start proceeding adding some other details, including the accommodation and lodging, where you can check for your event using the payment methods. We have here PayPal, Stripe. All we need to do is to simply connect our accounts on here and even accept the payments offline, for example pay at the door. And aside from that, below here, if you scroll down, you could also turn on this one to Event Hub, Web and Mobile Experience Unified, and any additional recommended features right here that you can add on Eventzilla. But before you'll be able to navigate or go to the next stage, you also need to accomplish or make sure that all of the information that you enter here has been added or fill out to be directed on the next stage. And that includes of connecting or linking your PayPal account or any other payment option that you choose. You could also pass on fees on attendees or absorb the fees. And once done, you should be able to see here that the Eventzilla event that you already add here has now been created, in which the main purpose of this is to simply provide event organizers with a streamlined platform to plan, promote, and manage events efficiently. It is also designed to simplify complex tasks such as ticketing, registration, attendee performance, or track the event participant in here. Also, Eventzilla helps organizers save time, reduce administrative work, and deliver professional and seamless experience to attendees. And overall, that is just how you can use Eventzilla. Thank you.